Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how you can add a numbered list or a bulleted list to your notes on Saner AI. So let us guide you through it. So head over to account on Saner AI, click into that home button in the top left, and from there navigate to the knowledge tab to the left. You may expand it, for example, and navigate to your note. I'll go with that example note in that folder here. So this is going to open up your note. You can also create a new note, guys, by clicking into that drop-down menu next to Add Plus and select Add a Note. And after that, click into your note and start a new command here by pressing slash and then what was it? A numbered list. So you can type in numbered, for example, and you will already see the suggestion below. Click into it and I'm just going to add the first point of your numbered list. ABC, press enter, DEF, and so on and so forth. Fill these with content and so on and so forth. If you'd like to indent, guys, simply press tab on your keyboard and that is going to skip to the next sub point here. Press enter. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.